Imagine standing where humans first built cities, by the Nile, between the Tigris and Euphrates, along the Indus. These were the cradles of civilization: Egypt, Mesopotamia, Indus. In the next 4 minutes, we'll unravel 7,000 years of innovation, mystery, and the unanswered what-ifs of human history. Between 6,500 and 5,500 BCE, small farming communities appeared along the Tigris and Euphrates. By 4000 BCE, cities like Uruk emerged, complete with ziggurats and irrigation canals. Mesopotamia gave us cuneiform around 3200 BCE, inscribed on clay tablets, used for trade, legal codes, and literature. They created the sexagesimal system, base 60, the reason our minutes and degrees exist today. With law codes like Hammurabi's and early schools, they crafted bureaucracy and social structure. Mesopotamian astronomers divided the sky into zodiacal bands, early astrology. They traded via reed boats sealed with bitumen as early as 5500 BCE. Yet political unity was rare. Sumerians, Akkadians, Babylonians rose and fell, ending when Persians conquered Babylon in 539 BCE. Clay tablets survive, economic records, myths, letters, but much is lost: ruins buried by silt, temples vandalized, tablets looted in war. What untold stories lay beneath the sands? In 3100 BCE, Upper and Lower Egypt unified under the first pharaoh. The Nile's annual floods shaped agriculture and faith, connecting life, death, and the divine. The Old Kingdom, circa 2700 to 2200 BCE, built the pyramids, massive undertakings requiring 100,000 laborers at Giza. Egyptians practiced early rhinoplasty and made prosthetics, an ancient blend of medicine and magic. They skillfully used geometry, as shown by compass-drawn grids in tomb artifacts from 1400 BCE. Egyptian hieroglyphs combined pictographs and phonetics, used on papyrus by 3000 BCE. Through tombs, temples, we glimpse beliefs about death and the afterlife. The Old Kingdom collapsed around 2200 BCE following drought and political collapse. Tomb looting, heat, and erosion threaten what remains. What texts and treasures have vanished? From 3300 to 1300 BCE, the Indus Valley civilization thrived. Mature Harappan era, 2600 to 1900 BCE, birthed massive, grid-planned cities like Harappa and Mohenjo-Daro. Streets aligned north-south and east-west, homes had flush toilets and covered drainage systems, innovations unseen elsewhere. Then they used bow drills on carnelian and lapis, distillation devices by 3000 BCE, and minted seals, a data system of symbols. Thousands of undeciphered Indus symbols suggest grammar, but we can't read them. Yet trade networks extended to Mesopotamia, carnelian beads found in royal tombs, showing a connected Bronze Age world. Around 1900 BCE, cities were abandoned over centuries. No obvious warfare or invasion. Climate shifts? River changes? Disease? It remains one of archaeology's greatest enigmas. 3 cradles of civilization: Mesopotamia with its laws, writing, and astronomy; Egypt with monumental tombs, geometry, and medical innovation; Indus with urban planning and peaceful trade. All birthed social complexity, innovation, and mystery. They rose along life-giving rivers, created systems we still use, then faded, leaving behind fragments. What unseen truths lie buried? In their silence, they challenge us to learn, imagine, and remember. If this was your first journey with us, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Share which civilization bewilders you most, and let's explore more mysteries together.